Hello and welcome to this short overview of EstateAssist. This is just designed to give you a basic idea of how EstateAssist works. We're going to start out in our estate administration dashboard where we see we can lay out our cases according to case status to be able to better track where everything stands in the administration process. Then as we go into one of our cases as a test case, we come to the case dashboard that has case-specific information at the top and automatic links that are created for our court website and local rules so that we can easily go file things and check in on information about the case. We have a screen for adding our case details, things about the decedent and the fiduciaries and the case information and important dates. Interested persons, where we enter the people who are going to be involved in the estate administration. Our pleading screen allows us to see all of the state standard pleadings and all of the local forms for that county. If the county's been added to EstateAssist, we're currently at about 21 counties, continuing to add them regularly, and we will have all local forms throughout the state of Ohio. And as we start to look at some of the documents, we see that EstateAssist automatically takes the PDFs from the courts and fills them in with your information, laying it out the way you want, specific to your case. See the same on the 2.0, automatically pulling your case caption, the current judge's information, all the information about your decedent, the attorney, the fiduciaries, and so on, filling in everything you need in order to start filing your case. If we go back to the case dashboard, we can go to our receipts screen where we see all of the assets and income for the estate, everything that we've added, red and green lights to let us know if an asset has or has not been resolved yet, information about its original value and proceeds, if it's being transferred in kind and it's an asset that needs a specific document, those are going to be added here automatically for you. So when you set who you want the asset to go to, you'll get things like your 9Cs and 12s, which will automatically populate with your case information. But specific to that asset, if it's a vehicle or a boat going to a surviving spouse, we automatically populate an affidavit for your client to be able to go and transfer that by statute. This is also the first place where we see EstateAssist's Word document correspondence automation. EstateAssist allows you to upload your Word document letters, and it will automatically take them and fill them with all of the case information. You only have to add a few variable terms throughout it and upload your letters, and EstateAssist will do all the work of filling them for you on a case-by-case basis. So we go back out to our dashboard. Similar setup for disbursements where we can enter anything that's being paid out of the estate. We also have an account register screen that not only tracks the running balance of your estate account based on all the deposits and withdrawals that happen, but any other account that you've created in EstateAssist will automatically show up with a running register. We have personalized notices and waivers. So when we come to our notice, waiver, and consent screen, every interested person has a box here that has personalized waivers for them, personalized notices, and consents. We also see more of our Word document correspondence as we've updated letters for the interested persons, which automatically get populated with your case information, filling in that interested person, the case information, salutation, whatever you've set in terms of variables within your letter. We can even create an automated envelope, so you never have to type up another envelope in your life. It'll just automatically fill those and be ready to send. Once we've entered all of our receipts and disbursements and updated things as they get liquidated and deposited and things of that sort, EstateAssist is going to create our accountings for us. It'll automatically create a single accounting of the entire case. All the financial transactions that have occurred will show up automatically, laid out the way you want them, totaled, all of the information down to the remaining assets in hands. or you can create specific accountings. So for a specific window of time, if you're doing partial accountings, you can set a start date and an end date, and EstateAssist will go ahead and create all of your documents automatically populated for that window of time. Back to our case dashboard, there is a screen for keeping case notes. So you can type in things as you go, and it will automatically date stamp those and note who made that comment so that people looking at the case can see what's been happening to this point. We have general correspondence where you can have automated letters, say a cover letter to your court or other things like that. EstateAssist will automatically create your deadlines based on the dates that you entered in the case details screen, and those deadlines will be seen not just here on the case dashboard but also on your main dashboard when you log into your case, so you can see all of your upcoming deadlines in all of your cases. And we have a task screen where you can list tasks that need done and have them crossed off as you complete them. Guardianship module is very much the same with the same kind of layout and all those same automations, but also with the addition of things like an education section where you can list your guardian's education for filings with the court. And last but not least, we'll mention that EstateAssist does have portals for our fiduciaries, and so you're able to grant access to your executors, administrators, and guardians to have limited access. They won't see everything in your case, but they have the ability to enter disbursements and things like that as they're writing checks and so on, so that they can help you with the work of entering data and allow you to more easily and quickly make your accountings. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We'd love to hear from you and hope you want to try EstateAssist out soon. Thanks.